The replace face command is a handy tool found under our surfacing. We have a lot of customers who don't bother learning surfacing, don't attend any advanced modeling courses, simply because they believe they don't need surfacing. However, surfacing can really speed up your modeling process. So here's an example where I have a part that has to match perfectly to a face. So I've copied that face as a construction body off of another model, and I'm simply going to go in and say replace face. I want to replace this face with this face. Notice the construction is automatically hidden, and I now have my perfectly matched model. This works over multiple faces as well. You notice here I'll turn this surface on. I'll repeat that command, finish out of it first. Replace face, select the top face here and a second face there. Accept it, replace there, and we now have a completed model with perfect matching faces. Very handy tool, the replace face command under surfacing.